So, we will be dealing with function of thermal insulation. In a refrigeration system, the primary function of good heat insulation material is isolate the warm surrounding from the cold refrigeration region. These material, commonly known as thermal insulation material, are mostly non-metallic and have a basic structure in which there are numerous cells containing air or gases. The thermal insulation material may perform one or more of the following function. The function of the thermal insulation: to retard the flow of heat from the surrounding. Number 2, to make possible better control of temperature in refrigerated space. Number 3, to minimize temperature fluctuation. Number 4, to prevent water vapor condensation. Number 5, to minimize water vapor transmission. 6, to give better surface finish. 7, to add to the strength of the wall and ceiling, etc. Number 8, to absorb vibration and reduce noise. This is also very important, vibration and noise. Number 9, to reduce the spreading of the fire and flame in case of fire hazard. So, these are the properties which are required for the insulation material. Property of heat insulation material. The property of insulation material can be broadly divided into following 4 categories. Number 1, physical property. Number 2, chemical properties. Number 3, and number 4, thermal properties. Physical properties. These properties include density, porosity, moisture resistance, coefficient of thermal expansion, low odor level, inflammability, compactness, and surface tension. An insulating material should have the following physical properties. Number 1, it should have low density to decrease its weight. Number 2, it should not possess its own odor, nor it should pick up odor of other particle placed in the refrigerated space. Number 3, it should resist moisture penetration and should not deteriorate when the moisture collects on it. Next, it should repel vermin and insects, कीड़े मकोड़े. It should not be flammable, otherwise it may prove dangerous in presence of electric wiring, etc. Then this was the physical property. Now the chemical property required. Chemical properties enable insulation to retain its own structure in hostile environment and also prevent it from being corrosive to substances. An insulation material which is to be used in chemical industry must possess adequate resistance to acids and corrosive gases. Number 3, mechanical properties. The important mechanical properties: resistance and hardness, good compressive strength. The properties depend on the type of the insulating material used. Then number 4, thermal properties. Thermal properties of insulating material are the most important properties. These are discussed below. Thermal conductivity. The ability of material to retard the flow of the heat is given by its thermal conductivity. It is the property of the homogeneous material which changes with the variation of density. It should be low in case of thermal insulator. Next comes heat capacity. It is a measure for the heat absorbed for the certain temperature rise and should be concordant with the use. Should be concordant, matlab should be matching with the use. Furnace insulations must have low thermal capacity for quick response to temperature changes required. Next page. Then comes thermal diffusibility. It is the major rise in a insulating material when certain heat energy is available at one of the surface. Next comes Combustibility. It is characterized by the flash point, smoke index, fire point, etc. To reduce the fire hazard, a low combustibility is necessary. आग नहीं लगना चाहिए उसमें. Then requirement of thermal insulation material. अब मटेरियल का क्या क्या रिक्वायरमेंट है? Summarily, the main requirement of a desirable property of a good heat insulation material are: number 1, thermal stability; number 2, chemical stability; number 3, physical; number 4, low thermal conductivity; number 5, resistance to moisture; number 6, low specific heat; number 7, low specific gravity; नंबर 8, odorless, महक नहीं होनी चाहिए उसमें कोई, रेजिस्टेंस टू वाइब्रेशन एंड शॉक, नो इनफ्लेमेबिलिटी, पोरस एंड फाइब्रस टेक्सचर, मतलब बीच में हवा उसके जा सके, पोरस होना चाहिए. देन इकोनॉमिकल इन इट्स इनिशियल कॉस्ट, महंगा भी नहीं होना चाहिए ज़्यादा, ये भी हमको देखना पड़ेगा. देन क्लासिफिकेशन एंड डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ थर्मल इंसुलेटिंग मटेरियल. The heat insulation material may be classified as follows. Organic heat insulator. Organic heat insulator में cork है, rubber foam है, rice husk, urethane is a chemical, urethane. Then inorganic heat insulators में आपके आते हैं, glass wool आता है, ceramic product आते हैं, उसके बाद आपके आते हैं स्लैग वूल, एस्बेस्टस आते हैं. उसके बाद ऑर्गेनिक हीट में एक और कुछ और मटेरियल भी है, कॉटन वूल है, सॉडस्ट है, सॉडस्ट लकड़ी का बुरादा, पॉलीस्ट्रीन है, फिर फेनोथर्म एट्सेट्रा. द कॉर्क वॉज कंसिडर्ड टू बी द बेस्ट इंसुलेटिंग मटेरियल फॉर ए लॉन्ग टाइम. बहुत दिनों तक कॉर्क यूज़ हो रहा था, कॉर्क, और इंसुलेशन बहुत बढ़िया मिल रहा था. With the advent of glass wool material wool, expanded polyethylene, polyurethane, etc., cork is rarely used. Physical property of commonly used insulation material are as per the given table. Let us see the table. Here it is the given big table. Okay. So here different type of insulating material, then density, their density has been given, and then we have got thermal conductivity and temperature range of application, then permeance mm of mercury, and water absorbing percentage by the weight in 24 hours. That's all.